Well, good Tuesday afternoon to y'all. It's Dan. Good gracious almighty. I want to welcome y'all to my home in the sticks. Lord of mercy, I hope everybody's having a showing off good Tuesday. What I wanted to share with y'all today is I had a few folk ask me, Dan, what kind of equipment do you use to make your YouTube videos? So I figured, you know what? Looks like it's finna rain. Why not go inside my shack and I'll share with you and y'all what I use equipment-wise to make my YouTube videos. So that's what we finna do. All right, you and y'all, we in the shack. Let's go. Finna show ya. This is my basic setup, equipment-wise, what I use to film all my YouTube videos. The one in the middle is my Galaxy S7. I use this guy pretty much for the first 6, maybe 7 months of filming my YouTube videos when I first started out. Really good phone. I love it, liked it a lot, but it just wasn't up to the task of continuous use video-wise. So this is what I first started out with. A few months down the road, my father said, Dan, you know, you making YouTube videos, you're gonna have to upgrade your equipment just a tad bit. For a Christmas present, I was given this guy right here. This is actually, I actually have two, but this one's encased in a aluminum housing that has a hot shoe mount on the top, which accepts my wireless system, and this is the Rode Filmmaker Kit. And all it is just a wireless microphone setup. Here's the lapel mic right here. This is the transmitter, and that is the receiver. And it actually hooks up on a hot shoe mount. See if you can see that. And I want to say I got this aluminum housing off of Amazon last year or a year and a half ago or something like that. And it's worked out really well. The only bad thing is with GoPro, you have so many different things that you have to purchase separately in order to make a system like this work, which is this cable right here that actually hooks into the actual cord that plugs into the receiver. So there's just a few things extra that I had to get. But it was well worth it in my opinion, because I really enjoyed making videos, and it helped me just further my videos a little bit more. So I actually have two. And this is, if I didn't say it, this is the GoPro Hero 5 Black. And these are awesome cameras in my opinion. That's all I've been using to do my videos with for the last almost year now. And I couldn't be more pleased with it. I ended up investing in, you know, a bunch of the mounts for the GoPro because I do a lot of videoing outside. The reason why I have two of these guys is because this one pretty much stays in this aluminum housing, and I film 90% of my videos on this GoPro right here. But this one is set up to where I can run it outside if it's raining. I made a few videos on me outside doing gardening stuff while it was raining, and this is the GoPro that I actually use to do it with. And there is my chest mount for the GoPro right here. And I actually have a bag that I store all my GoPro stuff in, basically. And this is an in-case bag. Really like it. Served me really well for the last year and a half. And I have a lot of extra things that go with the GoPro. This is I don't know what it's called, but it's this thing right here where I mount it on things such as that, and I can hook the GoPro down to the bottom of it where I can take down shots or side shots. These are pretty cool. This is a knockoff version of the GoPro. It's called the Captain. Oh, isn't that fitting? The Captain. I have, here's a case that has all my cables for my GoPro. I also have a bunch of batteries and a rapid charger. I want to say I have 6 batteries because the GoPro will eat through the batteries really fast, especially on a hot day. And of course, cold weather drains the batteries as well. So I have a lot of batteries that I keep on hand, charged. This is all the mounts for my GoPro. and I have quite a few of them, and they just different mounts to do different things. And what I'm going to tell you is the GoPro mounts and accessories are not cheap. I'm here to tell you. I have tried a lot of the knockoff versions of the GoPro equipment, and they just don't fit the same. They kind of function sort of like an original GoPro part, but you can tell when you use it that it doesn't really work all that well. For instance, like these little mounts. They don't screw in real good, and they don't secure the GoPro too well. So over time, a year or so, I just started collecting just parts for my GoPro equipment. And I have a pretty good assortment of it. And I'm glad I did, because I use 75–80% of it all the time. So that is what I use to make my videos. And that's what I use. This is what I use to hold everything. It's an investment. If you want to start making videos, it is, but it pays off in the long run. I used this guy right here for a long time, and it worked really, really well. But I just wanted better video, and I wanted better audio. So I just saved up my pennies and got another Hero 5 Black, and I invested in the Rode Filmmaker kit. And that in itself, sure enough, not cheap, but it's well worth it. Audio is really, really nice and clean. And that's what I wanted. Well, all right, there you have it, y'all. Just a little video to answer some questions. Some folks asked me about the video equipment that I use to make my YouTube videos. Now, what I'm going to tell you is, it's an investment. Yes, it's going to be a decent sized investment. I didn't have the money to buy it all at one time, you know, my video equipment. So I saved money here, saved money there, found stuff on sale, looked online to find and did a lot of research just trying to find the best prices that I could on some of that equipment. So it's paid off, because I think, in my opinion, I think my videos have come a long ways, and that's due to the equipment that I'm using. Again, that was something that I had strived to do. I wanted to make the best videos that I possibly could for you and y'all, just to show y'all what I'm doing over here at my home in the sticks. And that is the audio. I wanted y'all to hear me real good, and the video, I wanted y'all to see everything real good. And I think with the combination of the GoPros and the Rode Filmmaker kit, I think it's working pretty good. I hope everybody's having a sure enough good Tuesday, a safe one. If you like this video, go on and give it a thumbs up. They help. If you haven't subscribed to the Home in the Sticks channel, Lord of mercy, y'all need to come on over and give me a look, because I'm always doing stuff. Really. And with that being said, you know what's coming. Dan Referee showing off, always gonna say it. Don't let nobody dull your shine. I mean, nobody. You get your shine on. And Lord have mercy, we will see you and y'all in the next video.